Hi everyone, I'm Emma. Welcome to Learn Japanese with Hiragana. In today's video, we are learning Aiueo. This is perfect for beginners, so don't worry. It's easy to remember. Let's dive in. Let's start with the letter A. What color is this? Time's up. The answer is aka, which means red. Aka. For example, リンゴは赤いです。リンゴは赤いです。which means the apple is red. Repeat after me. リンゴは赤いです。Next, let's look at the letter I. What is this called in Japanese? Time's up. The answer is 椅子 which means chair. 椅子 For example, 椅子があります。椅子があります which means there is a chair. 椅子があります。Now let's learn う What is this in Japanese? Time's up. The answer is 海 海 which means sea. For example, 海はきれいです。海はきれいです which means the sea is beautiful. Next, let's look at the letter E. What is this called in Japanese? Time's up. The answer is E, which means painting or drawing. For example, 絵を描きます。絵を描きます which means I will draw a picture. 絵を描きます。Last, let's look at the letter O. What is this food called? Time's up. The answer is おにぎり which means rice balls. おにぎり For example, おにぎりはおいしいです。Rice balls are delicious. おにぎりはおいしいです。おにぎりはおいしいです。Great job! Today you've learned IUEO. How many did you get right? Next time we'll learn かきくけこ. Can you guess what words we'll learn? Please leave a comment, and if you like today's video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!